Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's learn how to make slime together in an easy and fun way so that you and your kids can follow. You need to get baking soda, contact solution, 1 bottle of Elmer's glue, food coloring, shaving cream, measuring cups, spoon and a mixing bowl. Step number 1. Add half a cup of shaving cream into a mixing bowl. Step number 2. Add half a cup of Elmer's glue into your mixing bowl. Step number 3. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Step number 4. Add your favorite food coloring. I'm going to mix red and blue to get purple. Step number 5. Add 1 teaspoon of contact solution. But be careful, add a few drops at a time and mix it thoroughly. Once it doesn't stick to the edges of the mixing bowl, you're ready to mix it with your hands. Put some contact solution on your hands so it doesn't stick. Keep playing with it using your hands, and if it's still too sticky, add few more drops of contact solution. Our slime is all done. Now it's time to play with it. I hope you enjoyed making slime with me. Please like and subscribe and comment below. I will see you in my next video. Bye!